Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since August 22nd, 2025, our system has rated Trump Media and Technology Group as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.34. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decline is likely. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 16.84% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 28.28% to negative 0.462%. Taking a longer view, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 17.73%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 84.05% and 101.69% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this suggests a future price that may fall between $2.85 and $36.04. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation Stock Price After Friday Trading. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price increased by 2.82% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025, rising from $17.38 to $17.87. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.57%, with a day low of $17.37 and a day high of $17.99. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 5.18% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 2 million more shares were traded than the day prior, with 6 million shares bought and sold for approximately $101,680,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $54.68, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price stands at 67.32%, or $36.81, below the 52-week high, and 77.49%, or $61.51, below the all-time high on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Trump Media has intensified its focus on cryptocurrency and content this month. The company submitted an amended S-1 for a Truth Social Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, which will be custodied by Crypto.com and is expected to launch later this year. The company's balance sheet now reflects over $3 billion in financial assets, along with one of the largest Bitcoin treasuries among publicly traded firms. Simultaneously, Trump Media is expanding Truth Plus by incorporating GB News and a Great American Media catalog, while also rolling out a public beta of an artificial intelligence search feature. However, there are challenges ahead. Core advertising and platform revenues remain minimal in the second quarter. Operating losses are significant by traditional standards, and the CEO recently faced a legal setback. In the short term, expect considerable volatility. Progress on the exchange-traded fund and any rally in Bitcoin could quickly elevate the stock price, as investors view DJT as a cryptocurrency proxy. Additionally, positive developments in platform content or favorable user metrics could enhance market sentiment. Conversely, weak fundamental revenue, legal challenges, and regulatory scrutiny may lead to sharp sell-offs. Over the long term, successful monetization of the exchange-traded fund, financial technology tokens, and increased engagement with streaming services could open new revenue streams. However, risks related to execution, concentration in Bitcoin, and a high valuation mean that potential gains rely on effective delivery and sustained growth rather than mere speculation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the stock receives a rating of strong sell from the analysts. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, and so far it has risen nearly 10%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact near-term developments. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative forecast. As the stock gains further, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $18.11. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $17.75. A breakthrough above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal, further reinforcing the overall signal. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal was recorded 13 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal emerged 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal appeared 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal was noted 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 18 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals, short moving average, a buy signal was observed 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal was identified 135 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 130 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $17.83. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 620 cents between its high and low, which represents a change of 3.57%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.99%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let us briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest ongoing profitability issues and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $18.67. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group meets its first support level at $17.83. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 22nd of August, 2025, Green W. Kyle executed an insider purchase of 11,552 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Trump Donald J. Jr. also performed an insider purchase of 11,552 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 6th of August, 2025, Glabe Scott conducted an insider purchase of 142,396 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Glabe Scott executed an insider sale of 13,151 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Also, on the 6th of August, Novatsky Vladimir made an insider purchase of 142,396 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Analyzing the 79 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, reflected in a ratio of approximately 19.857. In total, insiders purchased 226,976,411 shares and sold 116,045,810 shares in these 79 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $17.11, reflecting a decrease of 4.24%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Recently, a buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom identified 12 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation holds several positive signals. However, we still do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, or a position to accumulate while awaiting further developments. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a hold candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 25th of August, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open lower by approximately 127/10,000ths of a dollar and begin trading at $17.74. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.